This is a simple and fast review of the Drafin cordless electric lunchbox. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of its box, that's the outer shell, it looks like. The main box. Comes, and so we'll have kind of our wrap of that this will go in, but these will all pop off, as you can see. Comes off the top. We have a secondary kind of internal hot surface. Be aware when plugged in or cooked in, I guess. Now this is cordless, so what you're going to find is in there is a USB-C charger or charging port. It comes no power, so we'll go ahead and start charging this up while we do the rest. Well, it does say it's got 3/4 power, so let's revisit that. There we go. You got to hold it for probably about 5 seconds to turn it on. Has a clock, has temperature reading, and it's pretty legit because I keep my house at about 73. So I'll turn it off. We'll go ahead. So it is charged up. In here, you have a couple things. That's a cover. You'll have your instruction manual, kind of a little pan here that's going to get heated. That's going to be your vacuum seal. In here, we have spoon, charging cable, little fork, and a little plug, USB-C plug. This is going to be USB-C to USB-C charging cable, so be aware of that, which is nice. And then you have your fork and your spoon, your little travel kit. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's a little divider. Keep your stuff. Temperature difference. Let's see. Pops back off. Yeah, we can use that as a divider. Just to keep our food separate a little bit. Instruction manual. Yeah, food partition. Proper terminology. And press and hold for 3 seconds. It took about 4 to 5 for me. You'll have a couple different buttons here, just to walk through it. We'll have our keep warm button. We'll have a clock timer button. This is going to be my heating button, so let's go ahead and walk through. All right, so keep warm. There's just going to be that button, and that'll keep the product warm. The indicator light stays on, entering keep warm mode, which will last for up to 2 hours. Just be aware of that. And you can kind of see it heating up. It's not really clear, but it just hit 100, which is nice. 105, so it does heat up fast. So we'll go ahead. Not sure. Let's go ahead and turn that off. That's a simple way. Next button to reevaluate or evaluate is our heating modes. Heating the button, pressing that, the indicator will blink. Time icon blinks at 25 seconds. You can adjust your heating time, and then press this check mark to confirm. So we're going to then go, maybe that's 25 minutes, probably not, 25 seconds. So that'd be 30, and that'll be heating at 212. And so it's going to cook at 30 minutes. It'll get up to that temperature. And real simple. So again, you have a timer. This is actually for setting the timer or the time, and you know, you can set alarms, all that stuff. Not alarms, but set your time there. I mean, it's pretty fundamental stuff. I don't want to waste too much time, other than to say that it's a real simple and easy way to kind of heat up food and keep it warm. The best part about this is that it is cordless, so you know, it heats up relatively fast there, and then we can of course just seal this. So it becomes an extra thing to carry with. We can put our fork and knife kind of in those and have them separate, clean, stuff like that. So really nice features. Finally, we can have our full carry bag, you know, here. So definitely a nice little feature. I'm going to get this open. This is going to be insulated bag, which of course I can't get open. And once we do that, we'll have full strap capabilities, as well as a nice little insulated bag. Makes it transport a lot easier. So great looking options. Really nice solution. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.